Today, we're going to do something a little bit different. We're going to take one of the most simple, everyday words we all know, the word mother, and we're going to put it right under the microscope. You'll see that by digging into just one word, we can uncover so much about how language actually works. Okay, let's get into it.
But first, let me ask you a question. Do you think you could get by, really communicate everything you need to say with a vocabulary of only 850 words? It sounds pretty much impossible, right? But that exact idea is at the heart of this really fascinating project.
And that project is called Basic English. The whole idea was to create a super simplified version of the language that anyone, anywhere could pick up fast. It's all built on this core foundation of just 850 words, each one chosen because it's powerful and versatile enough to express even really complex thoughts. And yeah, you guessed it, our word for today made the cut.
That's right. The entry for mother in the Simple English Wiktionary points this out right away. It's not just a common word, it's considered one of the absolute fundamental building blocks of the entire English language. That tells you it's not just common, it's essential.
So what is it that makes a word like this so important? Well, to figure that out, let's treat its dictionary entry like we're archaeologists, you know? We're going to break it down, piece by piece, and see what secrets it's hiding about language itself. Let's start with the most obvious part.
So, first up, the definition we all know. It's a noun. It refers to a person, right? A female parent. It's concrete. It's something every single one of us can relate to, pretty much from the moment we're born. But that's really just page one of this word story.
And here's where it starts to get way more interesting. A word as basic as mother is anything but one-dimensional. It's actually leading a kind of double life. It doesn't just work as a noun, a person, but it can also be an action.
You can see that split perfectly right here. On one side, you have the noun, the person. Simple enough. But on the other side, you get the verb, the act of being a mother. To mother someone means to care for them, to nurture them. That core idea is so powerful, it literally becomes something you can do. This one little word packs a serious double punch.
And of course, no word is an island, right? They're all part of this huge, interconnected web of meaning. So now, let's zoom out and explore that network of ideas that just radiates out from this one single word. Just look at all this. The word mother acts like a root, and from it sprouts this whole family of other ideas. You've got motherhood, which is the state of being one. Motherless, the state of not having one. Then you have words that describe these more complex family structures, like mother-in-law and stepmother. And then motherly, which captures all the qualities of the verb we just talked about. This is how language helps us organize our entire world. This simple table shows exactly where mother fits into the system of family. It's one half of the parent duo sitting right across from father. This structure is totally fundamental to how we talk about our relationships and even how we see ourselves. So back to that list of 850 essential words. Why is this concept so critical that it absolutely had to be on there? Well, this number. This is a pretty big clue. It's not just an important word in English.
That's right. The Wiktionary entry tells us it's a concept that has a name in well over 100 different languages. From Arabic to Japanese to Zulu, the idea of a mother is a human universal. Its importance goes way beyond culture or geography, which makes it a truly foundational piece of communication for our entire species.
So, all of this brings us right back to that big question. What actually makes a word essential? Looking at just this one example, we've seen it's about so much more than just a simple definition. It's about its flexibility to be both a person and an action, its power to grow a whole family of related ideas, and its universal importance across pretty much every human culture. It really makes you wonder, what other simple words are hiding this much complexity?